Hello, it's the weekend, and today I don't want to do too much work in the kitchen, so I'm going to make an Italian sub. Let's get started. Okay, so I've gotten a step ahead. I've already took my Italian bread, took some out of the middle because we want our meats to be able to sit inside, and I toasted it. And so now I have some Genoa salami. I'm going to add some of that. Mm-hmm. 3, 6, 9 pieces of that. Sorry, I'm checking the pieces. And I have some pepperoni. He's showing to you. Gonna add up 2, about 6 of those on here. Close this up, guys. Give me a minute. And I have some Black Forest ham. I had 3 pieces. Let's do it like this. Just cut it in half. And I have some mortadella. In case you don't, mortadella. I don't know if you can see that, but I tried. I'm going to cut this in half. And add as much meat as you like. Make it as big or as small as you like. And I have some provolone cheese. Let's get some on there. And again, as much as you like. And I'm going to take this. I have my oven on high. I'm going to take it, put it under it, and melt the cheese. Okay. Ooh, what? I burnt my hands, y'all. Ouch. Ouch. I just burnt the holy crap out of my hands. I think I'm going to blister. Don't do what I just did, ever. So there you go. Now, oops, almost touched it again. Now I'm going to add, I have some mild jalapenos and I have some banana peppers. I'm going to add a few of those. Need a little bit of spice. Mm-hmm. And some banana. This may not be traditional, but this is how I like it. Okay, I have some red and yellow, red and white onions. Let's get some on there. I have some iceberg lettuce. And I have some tomatoes. One more. And I have some Italian dressing, but I'm not going to put it on right now. And you can also add some mayo if you like. Just going to add this on the top. It's cooled off. You burnt me. Let me let you see. Let me give this a slice. I'm sorry, you can't see. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Delicious. And I'm going to serve it up just like this. Chips. Mm-hmm. And I like pickles too with mine. Mm. Sprinkle of salt. And a little pepper. And there you have it. Clean it up a little bit. Let me see what that looks like. And it doesn't take that much, doesn't take that long. And it's satisfying. Of course, I'm sure you already know that. Well, thanks for watching. And don't forget to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him. Pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying, pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bloop. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Later. Mm-hmm.